How to fix snapshot camera problem. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we'll talk about how to fix this problem on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this and scroll down. Now go to storage option. Here as you see we go to the last button in the bottom of the screen. Clear data and click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop and click also OK. Now what you should do, go to battery and click on optimize it, and then go to permissions option and go to camera, and here you have to allow only while using the app. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.